In this video, we will be learning how to understand regression lines in context. So A, without the use of a calculator, write the regression equation. Define the variables used in your equation. So with this, we see our intercept, which is 18.617, and our capacity, 103.929. And we can use these two values to create our equation, our intercept, which will be our y-intercept, and our 103.9, which will be our value that we will multiply x by. So then we can use these two values to create our equation that you see there. And in this equation, our y-hat is our predicted price, and our x is the capacities, or the memory, the amount of memory that our hard drives can hold, and the y-hat is the predicted price of the hard drive. So back to B, to the next one, the meaning of the slope and the y-intercept in concept. So we have to explain that. So the slope is the added cost of the hard drive as the capacity goes up. So basically what this is saying is, as the cost of the hard drive goes up, the capacity also goes up. Or as the capacity goes up, the hard drive goes up. Or as the capacity of the hard drive goes up, the cost goes up. And that's what the slope's telling us. So, and the y-intercept, the y-intercept tells us the base cost for a hard drive. So if a hard drive had a really small memory, there would still be a base cost in place that they would charge. It wouldn't be like next to nothing or free. So moving on to C, predict the price of a 3 terabyte drive. So to predict this, we have to go back to our original equation that we derived and plug 3 into this. So we do that here, and we solve that out to get our predicted price when we have a 3 terabyte hard drive, and that predicted price is $330 approximately. And then once we predicted that, part D says Mr. Sheen found a 3 terabyte hard drive for $300. According to your regression equation, determine why this is either is or is not a good buy. So luckily he found a hard drive that was exactly the storage that we calculated. So our predicted price for our model is about $330, and the hard drive he found was $300. So that's approximately $30 cheaper than our predicted cost. So this would be a good buy for him because it's $30 cheaper than what we predicted. So now that we know this, we know how we have learned how to understand regression lines in context.